Today I'm opening a new PR package from Merit. So excited to give them a try. They have their new signature lip campaign. They're introducing their signature lip lightweight product to the world, and I am excited because I get to partake and share it with all of you. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's see what we got. Ooh, oh my gosh, I love cute packaging. I live for it. I live for it all day. Look at this bag, yes. So this is where we are in the minimalistic world, right? Just a cute little bag like this that I can use as a purse. Not even mad. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at all of these products. I am so excited to try them all. So as you can see, I got a lot of products from them, about 7 different items. But because this particular campaign is focused on the signature lightweight lipstick, I am going to roll with that and just show that because that's their newest product. That's what they're launching right now. So we'll just kind of focus on that, and then maybe I'll throw in a couple extras for you guys, and I'll save a couple for another time because I'm really excited about trying these products. Merit does pride themselves in being a clean line. You know, I'm all about the clean as much as I possibly can. If it's touching my face and this canvas, I like it to be clean, okay? Not that I limit myself to that, but when I hear those like trigger words, that's what I like to hear, okay? It's like, yes, that's what I need right now. This is the packaging. Ooh, Merit. Hold on. I love this. This looks rich. It looks like a luxury and I like it. Loving the Millennial shade. I really like it. The shade. The shade of it. I really like this shade. It's creamy. It's not sticking to each other at all. It feels really good. Of course, if I had like a lip liner with it or something like that, that would help kind of outline the lips, but I feel like it plumped my lips a little bit. Really lightweight. It sticks to the name, lightweight. It's not heavy at all. I can barely tell that I'm wearing any lipstick, and that's what I really need. I love this color. This color is a really good everyday color. And I have naturally ombre lips, and I feel like it covered it, or I can't tell if it covered it or if it enhanced it. Either way, I like it. I like this shade a lot. It's really good. So Millennial is definitely a top one. The next signature lip lightweight lipstick that I'm really looking forward to trying is my favorite. It's my favorite for the name, actually. I'm headed out of town and going on vacation soon. Going to Cabo, and this one is called Cabo. So I figured, why not add the matching lipstick to my bag, to my makeup bag for when I go. So I'm excited to see what this looks like. As you can see, they're both very shiny. They have a good texture to it, very, very smooth. Against my skin shade, I can see them both. So I'm excited about that alone. So let's go ahead and check out Cabo. For Cabo. Ooh, yes. I love this color. I love it. I love it. It's rich. It's nice. It's lightweight. I can barely feel it. I love this color. It's not too loud of a red. It's not too red. It's not too orange. I feel like it's just a really good, nice power red, especially on vacation. Yeah, I just feel like it's a really, really good color. Merit Signature Lip Lightweight Lipstick is available now. You can get it on their website. The link will be in my description box so you could get a chance to, you know, get in on the fun. And you let me know what you think and make sure you get yours today.